You need to hear this if you're a student struggling with chemistry. We're diving into ionization potential today. So what is ionization potential? It's the energy needed to remove an electron from an atom. Think of it like this. Some atoms hold onto their electrons like a kid clutching their favorite toy. Others, they let go pretty easily. Now let's talk trends. As you move across a period from left to right, ionization potential increases. And it's like climbing a hill. It gets harder and harder to snatch that electron away. But as you go down a group, ionization potential decreases. Picture it like descending a staircase. Each step down, those electrons are easier to grab. Why does this happen? Simple. Across a period, atoms have more protons pulling those electrons in tight. Down a group, electrons are farther from the nucleus and easier to remove. And that's ionization potential in a nutshell. Keep this in mind and you'll ace your chemistry exams. Catch you next time.